In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick links in a Confluence page. This is an incredibly handy feature for organizing and providing easy access to frequently referenced pages and resources. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, first, navigate to your Confluence homepage. Think of the homepage as your central hub. It provides access to all the different spaces and pages you might be working on. Once you're there, you'll want to select the space you're working in. A space in Confluence is essentially a collection of related pages, kind of like a specific folder on your computer. It helps keep your work organized and makes navigation simpler for you and anyone else who might be accessing those pages. After selecting your space, it's time to choose the page you want to add quick links to. Simply browse through the list of pages within your space and click on the one where quick links would be most beneficial. Now, move your cursor over to the top right corner of the page and click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the page's content layout and features. Now that you're in the edit mode, check out the toolbar at the top. Here you'll find an option called Insert More Content, or sometimes just Insert. Clicking on this will provide you with a drop-down menu displaying various elements you can add to your page. Here, go ahead and search for Quick Links. This feature is wonderful for enhancing the usability of your pages by connecting users directly to the important information they need, all in one convenient spot. Once you've located Quick Links, click on it. Now, you can start customizing the links you need. You'll notice options to edit elements such as width, which helps in aligning the links as you want them to appear on the page. Adjusting the width might seem like a small detail, but it impacts how well the feature integrates into the design and layout of your existing content. After you have completed setting up your quick links and are satisfied with how they look and function, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll want to do this by clicking on the Save button prominently located near the top of the page. This final step ensures that your new quick links are live and accessible to all users who have access to the page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add and manage quick links on your Confluence page, making navigation quicker and more intuitive for everyone involved. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to check out more of our videos to help enhance your Confluence skills.